Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI, and what I have here is the FlowFly Kids Lunchbox in Forest.
I really like the quality of this lunchbox. It is reinforced on the handle and also all of the stitching on the sides. It's made really well. There's a lot of capacity in here. As you can see, it fits snacks and sandwiches and applesauces, everything that you might need for your kids' lunch with room to spare. I also like the zipper here that I can put the freezer pack in, and another zipper on the top that you can put extra snacks or maybe a paper towel and utensil. It fits the drinks perfectly on the side, and I really like the buckle on the top because it can strap right to your kid's backpack, and that way they don't forget it as they're leaving for school. I like that this lunchbox opens from the top because my son can easily see everything inside. He loves to pack his own lunch now. He's such a big boy, and it's been a lot of fun.
And that's my point of view.